Now let us discuss next topic, that is homologous series. Now what is homologous series? Homologous series is nothing but the group of organic compounds that have same functional group and similar chemical properties and can be represented by same general formula known as homologous series. Understood? What is homologous series? It is the group of organic compounds that have same functional group and similar chemical properties and can be represented by same general formula is known as homologous series. Understood? Now example, let us take example of alkane series. Now here we know that the general formula of alkane series is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2, and this general formula is same for all the compounds that belongs to alkane series. Now example, first example of alkane series is methane, which is the first member of alkane series. Then ethane, that is C2H6. Then propane, that is C3H8. Then butane, that is C4H10. C4H10. Now all this and again the remaining, they belongs to which series? Alkane series, and they all have the same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. If we substitute this n by 1 for this methane, so it will be C1H2 into 1 plus 2. So this becomes C 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, that is CH4. Understood? Then for ethane, it will become C2H2 into, now here n is nothing but number of carbon. Okay, so here number of carbons are 2, so 2 into 2 plus 2, so it will become C2. Then H2 into 2 means 4, 4 plus 2, 6, that is C2H6. Then for propane, it is C3H2 into 3 plus 2, so this will become C3H2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Then for butane, it is C4H2 into how much? 4 plus 2, so it will become C4. Then H2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Understood? This means this is the homologous series of alkane. Understood? And they have all these members, they have same general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. Understood this? Now let us see the general characteristics of homologous series. General characteristics of homologous series. Characteristics of homologous series. Now first one, they have same general formula, Now we already seen the example of alkane series. Then they have same functional group, Then next one is the successive member differ by CH2 unit, differ by CH2 unit. Means here, if we take example of CH4, that is methane, and C2H6, that is ethane. So here it is the first member of homologous series or alkane series, and C2H6 is the second member. Now how much difference is there, or how much unit difference is there in between CH4 and C2H6? That is 6 minus 4, that is 2, means H2, and C2 minus C, that is C, means 2 minus 1, that is C. Okay, so each two successive members, they differ by CH2 unit. These are the characteristics of homologous series. Now one more characteristic is there. Now though the chemical properties are same, but the physical properties such as melting point, boiling point and density show gradual variation due to increase in the molecular mass. Understood this? So what is homologous series? It is the group of organic compound that have same functional group and similar chemical properties and can be represented by same general formula is known as homologous series. We have taken the example of alkane series. The general formula of alkane series is CnH2n plus 2. What are the characteristics of homologous series? They have same general formula, they have same functional group, the successive member differ by CH2 unit. This is the example. Here the difference between methane and ethane is CH2, and one more characteristic property is there, that is though the chemical properties are same, but physical properties such as melting point, boiling point, density shows gradual variation, okay, due to increase in the molecular mass. Understood?